Hey guys, finally back with another sewing tutorial. So in this video, I will be showing you all how to make these super cute flared out pants. Super cute and perfect for the fall. So let's hop into it. So this is my super pretty fabric that I decided to get, just a black and white stretch knit fabric. I did get 2 yards of it, and also I did forget exactly what the exact fiber contents are, but it is super soft. So my fabric is folded in half, and what I'm doing here is I'm taking a pair of my favorite flared out pants and kind of using it as a template, you know, as a pattern or whatever. And I'm just going to be basically cutting around it. So what I did was I folded the front parts of the pants in half, and we're going to just be cutting around and getting our front pieces together. So as you can see here, I'm just starting to cut out the pieces here. And whenever I'm done cutting it out, I will have 2 pieces for the front of the pants, if that makes sense. And you can add however much allowance you want. I kind of cut closely to the pants that I have on top of the fabric. You can cut as close to or give as much allowance as you would like, just depending on how tight fitting you want or how loose fitting you want. But this is a stretch fabric, so it is going to, you know, contour to your body. Also, I did try to give about half an inch to an inch longer at the top and bottom of the pants, as far as like me hemming it and, you know, making my waistband later on. So you can make the pants as long as you want, and just remember to at least have a little bit of allowance as far as the waistband, because we are going to be needing that for our elastic and everything. So you can make that as high-waisted or whatever you like. So once I have it all cut out, this is what it is looking like. So now it is time to actually work on the back piece of the pants. So as you can see here, I'm taking my pants and I'm going to fold it the other way to where it is the back pieces. So basically what I mean by back pieces is the pieces that's going to be covering the back of my body, like the butt portion, the back of my legs, everything like that. So I'm just trying to make sure I can give y'all a good understanding of what I mean by front and back. But I'm pretty sure y'all get that. So of course, again, taking my scissors, and we are going to cut around that template here. Now, as you can see here, I have both my front and back leg pieces cut out, and they both have 2 pieces each. So I'm going to show you that here. And then as you can see, I do have my front leg pieces pinned or clipped so that I can remember that that's my front leg pieces. So as you can see here, I am about to put right sides together, and I believe this is my front leg pieces. I end up taking the clips off so I can put them right sides together. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to be taking some clips and I'm going to sew this curved area here. This curved area is our crotch area. So once that's pinned, I'm going to take it to my serger and serge. If you don't have a serger, use a sewing machine and use a zigzag stitch. So here we are at the serger, and I'm basically just going to be sewing the curved portion here. Now we are getting ready to do the same exact thing to the back leg pieces. And as you can see, I'm getting ready to put right sides together. Once I have right sides together, I am going to be pinning the curved area in place. And then we're going to be taking it to our serger or sewing machine. If you don't have a serger, make sure that you are using a zigzag stitch because we are working with a knit stretchy fabric. So you can use a zigzag stitch or just some type of stretch stitch on your sewing machine. Once we have our crotch area sewn in place, I'm just going to be taking the back leg pieces here and spreading it out so you guys can see what it looks like so far. Then I'm going to take the front leg pieces and I'm going to be putting it right sides together. And basically what I'm going to be doing is just pinning them in place on top of each other. And then I like to take the crotch area and line them up and pin it into place to make it easier for me to pin everywhere else when I have them together like this. So then I went ahead and I pinned the outside of the legs together first. So again, I'm going to take it to my serger and serge the sides.
How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. Why we doing our thing, moving too fast? Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, spending money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we on it.
Now that we've sewn the outside of the legs together, it is now time to pin the inside of the legs together as well. So I'm going to be taking my clips again and we're going to be pinning everything in place. So this is what everything looks like when I have everything pinned into place. And I'm just going to take it to my serger and serge everything together.
Black seats, creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide.
So here are what my pants are looking like. They're pretty much done. I just have to do my waistband and hem the leg of my pants. But here's what they look like right side out. Now it's time to work on the elastic waistband. You can either take a measuring tape and measure around the smallest part of your waist, or you can take the elastic itself and wrap it around your waist to where it feels the most comfortable, and then cut off the elastic where it feels the most comfortable and do it that way. I do either or, but as you can see here, I will be taking the scissors and cutting where it feels the most comfortable. And this is going to be the elastic for our waistband. So now I'm just hemming the waistband and pinning all the way around the waistband, and I'm probably folding about 1/2 inch down. I believe I'm folding 1/2 inch down and just pinning it into place and just making sure that it is even all the way around.
How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon'.
Now we are going to take it to the sewing machine. So I'm not going to show the process of me sewing the waistband area. However, I do want to mention that anytime you are going to be sewing elastic into a waistband, we are not going to sew it completely around. We are still going to sew around it, but we want to leave at least about 1 inch or 1/2 inch or whatever amount of space open here so that we can loop the elastic end and everything like that. So yeah, just make sure you don't sew it completely closed because you still have to put in your elastic. Okay, so I have my space here that I left open, and it's probably about, I don't know, an inch or so, a little more than an inch, I think. I got my elastic here, and I put a safety pin on the end. So basically what I'm just going to be doing is feeding it through the waistband or the waistline or whatever you want to call it. We're going to feed it all the way through until the other end comes out of the hole here.
How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. Why we doing nothing, moving too fast? Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, spending money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning, and the sunrise, so we on it. Boy, I got five, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide.
And I'm going to take it to my sewing machine, and I'm going to do a straight stitch. You can do a zigzag stitch or whatever. I might end up doing zigzag stitch instead. But basically, we're just going to stitch this, overlap it, and stitch it in place. Now, I already went ahead and hemmed and pinned the legs in place. So basically that's what I'm about to do here, is just take it to my sewing machine and sew it in place, and we should be done after doing that. So here are the final results. They fit well, they look good, they feel really soft and comfortable. So yeah, if you found this video, you know, easy to understand, easy to follow, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment any other videos, any other sewing suggestions, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoy.